What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the SuperEQ S1 headphones. Before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. So let me first begin by unboxing the headphones, and while I do that, let me tell you a little bit about the price. So it currently goes for $60 on Amazon, but there's a 10% special going on right now, so you can get it for around $54 plus any taxes. But as soon as you open up the box, you're greeted immediately with the carrying pouch right here. And putting that aside, we keep taking everything out. And then right here you have the headphones in plastic. So first impressions, the headphones do have a bit of weight to them. So we're gonna put that aside. And then in this box right here, you have what seems to be the cables. So you have what I think is the USB cable. Let's open that up and check it out. So yes, so this headphone charges using micro USB cable to USB. And then right here you have your auxiliary cable, your audio cable. And then finally you have your airplane adapter. And then if you continue going in to the box here, you'll find the user manual. And also a cool thing with these headphones is that they do offer a 24-month warranty as long as you register the headphones on their official website. So that way you do get an extended 1-year warranty over the original 1 year if you register the headphones on their website. As far as comfort, these headphones are made out of protein leather ear cushions, and within those ear cushion or the protein leather ear cushions is memory foam, which initially seems like the headphone is very comfortable, but I'm actually gonna continue to test them out and see how well they hold up after wearing them for a half hour, even hour and a half. Moving on now to active noise cancellation and battery life. Now, when it comes to active noise cancellation, this headphone features a hybrid noise cancellation, which means that it adjusts the noise cancellation levels anywhere from 28 decibels up to 33 decibels, depending on the outside or the surrounding noise around you. So it adjusts it based on need, pretty much. Now, moving on to battery life. Now, battery life, it can go up to 50 hours if you're using the headphones wired while using the active noise cancellation, or 45 hours when you're using it under Bluetooth mode, or just 40 hours when you're using Bluetooth as well as noise canceling mode activated. With the active noise cancellation, you get 2 feed forward and 2 feedback noise cancellation microphones. Let's now talk features. These headphones feature 40mm sound drivers. It also features up to 33 feet of Bluetooth range, or in other words, 10 meters. And it has a noise reduction depth anywhere from 28 to 33 decibels, depending on how loud your background noise is. So these are hybrid active noise canceling headphones. And like I already mentioned, they can decrease the background noise by up to 33 decibels, depending on the need of your surrounding environment. And when you're using the headphones with active noise cancellation turned on using Bluetooth mode, it can last for up to 40 hours. Now it's time to test out the microphones. Now to do that, I recorded 2 separate recordings using the voice memo app while the headphones are paired to my iPhone. And I recorded using a quiet background and a louder background to see how the headphones microphone performed under those 2 different environments. What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. Testing. What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. Testing. So that was the mic test. Let me know your thoughts down below. Now it's time for me to share with you my thoughts and to talk about the sound quality of these headphones. Beginning with sound quality, these headphones sound okay. Nothing too special, just keep that in mind. And if you're a person that really cares about your bass, in my experience, the bass did sound good, but at other times it did sound a little bit muffled in the headphones. It also isn't very loud. So just a few things to keep in mind, but overall it sounds very decent for its price point. A couple things I want to add as far as sound quality. Now, for 90% of the time I was reviewing these headphones, I did use them wirelessly and not wired. And when I did use them wired for that small amount of time during that review period, I didn't notice a huge difference in the sound quality. So if I have to give a rating to these headphones, I will give them a 6.5, 7 out of 10 based on their price point. Moving on now to my thoughts for these headphones. Now, I did use them for the last week and I noticed a couple of issues with these headphones. First, as far as comfort, if you're looking for a headphone that's comfortable for long-term use, and when I say long-term, I mean an hour and a half, 2 hours, where you're sitting down watching a movie or you're using them for a bus ride, road trip, whatever the case may be, I didn't find them to be very comfortable, at least for me. And that may be because I have a big head, but I didn't find them very comfortable. They felt a little bit stiff on my head, but your experience may be different. Another issue I have with these headphones is the price point. They're currently $62.99 with a 10% coupon, but I did speak with the manufacturer and they're letting me know that starting tomorrow for Black Friday and only tomorrow, the price will be decreasing to $47.99. And I think at $47.99 it is worth it, but on any other day where it's $62.99, it is definitely not worth it in my opinion, because I think there are better alternatives out there, such as the Soundcore Life Q20 headphones, which feature better bass in my opinion, but you get the same battery life, which is one pro of these SuperEQ headphones is the decent battery life of 40 hours with active noise cancellation turned on, which you get the same thing with the Soundcore Life Q20 headphones. Now that we got the cons out of the way, let's talk about the pros. Beginning with battery life, I had a very good experience with the battery life and it did work as well as it could. And for the reason why I'm actually saying that is because I used these headphones at 100% volume level with active noise cancellation or transparency mode turned on at any given time. So I did abuse the battery life for these headphones. I wasn't using it conservatively and it worked pretty well. Not to mention that the battery life for these headphones are pretty competitive to other headphones out there on the market at that price point. As far as the hybrid noise cancellation, that worked well. I did sense that it worked very well when I was working out outside with the background noise. It did adjust it based on need and based on the amount of how loud the background noise is. And when it came to transparency, once that was activated, I was able to hear a lot of the noises around me when I wanted to, such as when I wanted to have a conversation with a neighbor. It worked pretty well in that instance as well. So this was my unboxing and review on the SuperEQ S1 headphones. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.